Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're out here at Island Ford within the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area. This is an excellent place to explore just on the outskirts of Atlanta, and if you've never been here before, I definitely recommend it. So with that being said, let's explore some trails around here. Let's keep moving. All right, so we're back at one of my favorite places here in the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area, Island Ford. In fact, we just left the Hewlett Lodge headquarters where you can check in and get one of your national parks or recreation area stamps for your passport. So make sure you check out this area. Lots of connecting trails. Can't wait to show you a little bit more. Let's keep moving. All right, so as you get into this hike, you have this nice little pond here. Lots of people come out here and fish. Cool little spot. Oh, looks like some turtles over there taking a dip. All right, so in today's episode, in case you've been watching this channel, I'm here with my wife Stephanie. Say hi, Steph.
Hi.
She's great. This is her favorite spot. That's why we're here today at Island Ford, one of the best places within the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area. So if you were looking for a great day hike, especially as a couple, this is a great spot. Let's keep moving. Okay, so lots up there, circles down, this little switchback, and you can connect with the river right here, as you can see in the background. But we're gonna head up this way to add to our hike. All right, so we are coming onto another cross section. Now you would think that you would continue straight, but instead we're going to take a right and do a little bit of a road walking, and I'll show you how it connects. Again, bigger loop, more miles. So springtime is here. All the green is coming in. This place looks so different from season to season. And even though it was nice to see through all the trees, it's also nice to see all the leaves coming out and all the blooms. Okay, so you've never been to Island Ford before. This is a great location, especially if you are into kayaking, tubing, and such, because there is a boat ramp here, and there's also a takeout point not too far from this area going downstream. So if you're looking to ease into the Chattahoochee River and exploring new areas, this is a great spot to check out. So one of my favorite things to do here is to bring my hammock and then actually stop by Publix and get a custom sub. Beef pastrami and Munster is my favorite sandwich, but I like to put the hammock up by the river and enjoy my little sandwich or picnic right there. All right, so we are here at IF-17. We're gonna loop around to Beach Creek and then walk down the river as you see here. Okay, so we just came down this direction and now we're heading towards the river. Flattens out pretty well. And again, there's gonna be a loop that we jump on. It takes us right down by the Chattahoochee River. All right, so we have made it to the Chattahoochee River and it is flowing today. The water's clear, not so muddy, so it is a beautiful day out here. Yeah, look at all the leaves on the trees. This is an incredible place to check out. again, as you were walking along the river here, there's a bunch of rock formations. We just saw one back about 100 feet, 200 feet or so. And as you can see, another rock formation with an overhang where Native Americans used to congregate underneath this structure here. Pretty cool spot. All right, so behind me, this is one of my favorite spots to set up a hammock and just have a sub and just relax, especially since it's near my home. I can come out here anytime I like, but Island Ford is a great place to relax, especially if you're looking to put up a hammock and have a picnic right by the river. Great spot. So let's go ahead and put the hammock up now. There you go. Look at that view. Right. All right, all packed up. Again, just an easy stroll along the river back to the headquarters. We cut off a few miles on today's hike because we didn't want to go back up into the woods up there, so we just wanted to do a nice little hike along the river, have a nice picnic, and here we are. All right, so we have come into an area called Hewlett Field, and this is an area where you would park your car down there, I guess, to unload the boats. But down here is where you would drag your kayaks and such down this boat ramp. Part of the National Water Trail. Chattahoochee River is actually the first national water trail in the United States. Again, this is mile marker 320, Island Ford, and this is the boat ramp. A beautiful spot to load in your boats, and you just head down this way. Again, short paddle to the takeout point, only about 3 miles or so. Beautiful area. All right, so that's that. We just did a quick 3-mile loop here at Island Ford. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.